Coco. Where's the safest place she can be? There's bubble wrap around it. Hi, everyone. We got Newman, locked up Coco, Oakley. I decided to give that soft lamb's wool to Izzy. I bought that lamb's wool, I don't know why, but I thought it was beautiful, but it was never ever used other than to be moved around. So I thought, I'll just give it to Izzy. Hey, you got that today. Dad'll be excited. We got Coco, she's all locked up. We got Duncan, Newman. We got Kiwi over in the corner. We got Mrs. Run around Sue in there. It's cold in New Jersey. We got Run Around Sue. That's her new name. Here comes Oakley. He's been strolling the streets. Hey, Oakley, you've been strolling the streets. He's an independent, right? Independent Oakley. You don't need to follow anybody. You just stroll along. Strolling. Remember on George Costanza, Seinfeld, and after George broke up with his girlfriend, he said he was independent, George. Like, independent Oakley. Hi. Coco's wrapped in plastic. And Rue, I'm right here so you can see me. You don't need to yell. Hello? You can see me. I'm here. I'm standing in the doorway so you don't have to yell. This guy is always here at my feet, no matter what I do. Maybe not so independent, Oakley. Oh, thanks, Tammy Joe. Welcome in, everybody. Thanks for joining us. Uh-oh. Oakley, be careful. Don't go over there. Coco is in jail. She's in protective custody for her own safety. She's gonna get really mad now. People who are just scrolling through Facebook, they're gonna see, yes, Run Around Rue. Right. They're gonna see Coco in this little carrier, and then you'll be like appalled at what's going on. Coco is in there for her own protection. Right, Oakley? Brad, you know Brad's been working a lot of overtime. He started at 5:30 in the morning for a few days. Worked till 7:30 at night. And he earned us enough to buy a new dishwasher. It's being delivered tomorrow. So, how many months have we been without a dishwasher? So we finally get a dishwasher. He pulled it out so that, because you know how mice were living in it? And I didn't want the mouse evidence all over the floor when they came to replace it. I'd be so embarrassed. So, even though I'm telling thousands of people. So he pulled it out and cleaned it all out and everything. Get ready for the new. I'm going to keep Coco pretty safe from now on. She's not going to be on the counter free willy because I don't want her to fall. No more dishwashing hands. I don't know. Have YouTubers heard what would happen with Coco? I think so. I don't know if that video was posted or not. She's got to stay. The two in the plastic bubble, exactly. Did you guys ever see that movie? We don't have any mice anymore. Did you guys see that movie, The Boy in the Plastic Bubble? I know. We haven't had mice since we got rid of them. When did we get rid of? We've been mouse free since last year, I think, at this time. I don't know, a long time we've been mouse. You would know if there was mice. I would talk about it day and night. Your dashing hurt her back. Oh boy, that would have been terrible. You gotta buy a new dishwasher. They're $1,200. Can I put pillows around the counter? She's fine in there. I just need to either hold her or keep her in there. If I can't hold her and keep her safe, she's in there. She's in jail. Oh, was it John Travolta? Your pup's better, Pauline? I got Oakley right at my feet. I'm making cauliflower and cheese pie tonight. I think I told you guys. It's like you make a potato, shredded potatoes and onions. You shred them. I got it, Jocelyn. Thank you. You make shredded potatoes, shredded onions, line a dish pan, a shredded onion, potato, salt, pepper, add an egg, line a pan with it. You bake the crust. It's a potato crust. You bake it in the oven for oh 30 minutes at 400. And the filling is sauteed cauliflower and cheese and like an egg mix. Yeah, Coco can play on the floor, but it's still dangerous for her on the floor. Not when if I have to, I gotta watch her. You know what I mean? I don't want her to get hurt. On the recipe, Arlene, if you're interested, it's called, it's from a vegetarian cookbook from the 70s. Called the Moosewood Cookbook, and it always has really good recipes. But Google Moosewood cauliflower cheese pie recipe. Cockatoos behind bars. People won't be very happy. Coco Bell's back to the vet tomorrow. Yes, gluten-free. I gotta stay away from bread. I've got myself on a strict no bread diet because it just makes me so sick. Oakley's trying to climb this. You can't climb it. He wants me to hold him. Join the club, Oakley. Oakley, maybe you better. Here, come here, sweetie. We don't want you to get hurt. You are such a rascal. Let's see if he comes. You want to come and sit with me? You got to come right over. I'm not going to pick you up. If you want to come and sit with me, you have to come over. Coco's going to take the lap spot. How's Izzy? She got her shot today. Now you want to come up too? Coco doesn't like it when sharing laps. Well, come on then, here. Oh my goodness, you are a big boy too. Come on, you can do it. He needs help. You got it? Here. Here, come on, sweetie. He needs... I know, it's hard. Here. There we go. You did it. One side of his body is weaker than the other side. Coco, don't give him dirty looks. Ugh. Oakley is turned... He's like, anytime anyone's on my lap, he's got to be on my lap too. How old is Coco? Coco is 31. Coco's 31. What's going on YouTube? You guys are quiet over there. New dishwasher tomorrow. Yes, Coco needs my full attention. I thought I was protective of her before. You know, the thing is, she always whined to go onto the shower curtain, right? She always whined. No one could have a shower without her up there. Oakley, do you get more attention? Oakley demands attention. He's turning into my Floyd, but he's not as bossy. He's not as loud. Yeah, if she had a heart event, it would have been terrible. She slipped for sure. Hey, no biting. Don't do that. We got a Bosch again. It was just like, we just buy stuff we just get Costco stuff. Because we get cash back. Yeah, Coco, if you stop clipping your feathers, you could fly, right? Then we wouldn't have to worry about you falling. Okay, listen, if you're going to bite, you can't be here. Oh, did your wing get mucked? Oh, his wing is sore. What happened, buddy? And the feather get twisted? You've had a box since 2005. Have you had any mice living in it? You like to see Coco getting attention? Yeah, did you get your check? We just got our Costco cash back. See what happens when you try and bite me? One of your feathers gets flipped and it hurts. Yeah, we do all our shopping at Costco. Well, hi. 90% of our shopping at Costco. You get 5% cash back, and then if you use the credit card, you get I don't know, you get something. And I think that's where we get our free rooms. Our rooms, like what's the rooms? The Marriott points? I don't know. I think that's where we get our Marriott points. And we get free rooms. We use those for our rooms when we go away. We saved up. Brad used a lot of points. And we got this room right on Miami Beach, right on the beach side. On the beach, people. 2 nights. And we stay in a cheap hotel the first night we get in. Coco's only got 1 tail feather. Oh, 2 tail feathers left. Brad is like points master. I'm points master too. Does anyone else do the points thing? Where you shop according to your points and you travel according to your points? Like the points to go to Florida. Points are on my card for Florida. 2 trips and Nashville. 3 trips, and then Christmas will be Hawaii. All points. Hi, honey. You don't have a Costco? We were gonna take our check and buy steak at Costco because we haven't been buying it there because it's like $300 for a hunk of steak there. So we're gonna take our check and buy one of those big things of steak, but we ended up buying coffee pods. You flew to Hawaii first class with points last year. How? Oh, it was a 5-hour flight, eh? It's not bad. Did you have one of those wide seats, or did you have one of those sleep seats? Oh well, everyone voted them in. That's what happens. Everyone gets what they wanted. You have cashback Visa, which is really great, and I have points MasterCard, but they don't add up to very much. I used to get hotel points, but they cut those back. And you get scene points. Oh yeah, I haven't really done the scene points. Well, I have my Visa card that I use for everything. And if I have to buy U.S. goods, I use my U.S. Visa, and I get cash back on that. You let your credit card expire? Smart. Yeah, the news isn't good. I'm in this other group, and they think the groceries are going to go down now. I like to see it. You know the U.S. groceries are as high as ours? and the U.S. dollar is worth $1.40 Canadian right now. So you pay $1.40. Say you buy bananas. You buy bananas for $1.40. We pay like 80 cents. Like if Americans did their grocery shopping in Canada, but I don't think they can. They would have a steal right now. So our groceries are on par mostly now. 4%? Which card is that one? The MasterCard. Sometimes you can just switch. I was at this party once and all these people were exchanging tips on how to work the points. Like you sign up for a new card, you get the points, you do a couple months of charges, and then you get to keep the points, and then you just switch your balances everywhere. I don't have the patience for that. I started watching this to avoid the news. I started watching on YouTube this called LOL Cows Universe. It's so stupid. But it's fun. It's kind of interesting. It's just a bunch of women bickering, pretty much. But they all kind of have their own, like, you know how wrestlers have their own sort of personality? Well, these women too. The store you go to gives points. Yeah, if you're not shopping with points or planning your life around points, you're missing something. It's a Scotiabank one, but you have to have a certain amount and a momentum savings account with them. We don't like the Scotiabank. You know what we took everything out of the Scotiabank. Brad and I were younger, and we bought our first condo. I think when you could you only need to put 5% down or something. It was through Scotiabank, and we were paying like 8% interest. It was our first. And then the interest rate started tanking, and Brad and I were going to buy our second condo and pay off the mortgage on the first one so that we didn't have to pay those high interest rates and like we'd be ahead. But they took us into the office and they talked to us like we were teenagers and we were full-grown adults. So we were like, F them. And we just went to the Royal Bank and they've been really good. You got scene points and use them at the grocery store. Saves you $20 a month. And Newman should not be up there. Newman, no. Newman, that's Dad's money tree. If he sees bites out of it, down you go. Come on. There you go. Good boy. That was so good. You're the only bird that listens to me. He's going to probably crawl back up again. Where is it? I always go. They ask if I have scene points. Scene points. Do you have scene points? I can't remember. Maybe it's the gas station? Hi. The gas station have seen points. Canadians. It's relaxing bird TV. Hey, no chewing my sweater. Oh yeah, I got makeup tips. You know how I was stressed out about my eyeliner? Finding eyeliner. Well, Brad finally got me to. I wonder if I'll be copyright struck. Um, oh yeah, so I finally got to Sephora to get my eyeliner. Of course, it takes forever there too to find it because they're out of stock of everything. So I had to get the no name. And then I got this guy I watch. He's like a makeup expert on YouTube, and he said the best mascara is this. I don't know what it is, but I ordered it from Amazon. It's in grocery stores. It's by Elf, I think. Anyway, so I haven't tried it yet. I was going to try it today, but I got too busy. Okay, you guys, I'm going to have to put my potato crust in the oven. You know what that means? You have to get off my lap. Both ya. So you go down. Hey, listen, Oakley, you don't have a choice here. Okay? When I gotta get up, you have to get up. Well, you have to get up too. Last thing I need is Oakley drama. You can't run my life, okay? You can come back up my lap later, okay? But right now, no. He's trying to hold on so he doesn't have to get down. Listen, Oakley. Oakley, you gotta get off, honey. I can't play in the stove with you. There you go. You get on the ground, then you can come back, okay? Just avoid Newman. I had to pretty much lay on the floor. You too, Newman. You gotta get off the counter. You'll be a cooked bird. That's the first time Oakley's done that. Here, come here. Come on. I'm opening the oven and it's hot. Come on. Hey. Newman, come on. Hey! Come here. Stop that. Hey. Okay. Okay, come on. Now there goes blood. Here, you go there. I got blood. His bites are like freaking lethal. Okay, so this is my potato crust. 400 for 30 minutes. I gotta get a Band-Aid. Hold on. Okay. 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 I have some testy birds tonight. Okay, so this is apparently the best mascara. It's called False Lash Effect Essence Lash. So, sold in TJ Maxx. I got it on Amazon. I haven't tried it yet, so I can't give you a good review. Okay. I'm not putting you back on my lap. You get mad at me. I got bit already. You can't wear eye makeup anymore because of your eyes? If you're just new here and you're joining us, Coco's in a carrier because she needs to be wrapped in plastic because she falls. The chat isn't even... Are people chatting on Facebook? I don't see any comments. Oh, there we go. Diane's there. You guys see me get bit? They're pretty bad. Timney. Kiwi, what's her name? Sid's bites aren't bad. Newman's are. They're fast and furious. I don't know about you. You're not. He's trying to climb up the stand to get on my lap. No. Look at Coco. Are you getting hungry, Coco? Should we get your dinner going? What have you been watching, Spectral on YouTube? You're a YouTuber. What have you been watching lately? Have you seen were you here when I was talking about LOL cows? The LOL cows? Coco's locked up because she, guilty of crime. Is that the channel? Coco's locked up because on the weekend... Oh, you do watch it? I just started watching it. What was I gonna say? Coco had a fall on the weekend. Go see? GOC. I thought the channel was just LOL Cow. Coco had a fall from the shower curtain rod this weekend, and she was unconscious, and I have to watch her and keep her excitement level down. And she's never being up high again without me. Oh, burnt toast. Coco Chanel Morrison, yep. She fell in the bathroom. And the thing about it is, it was so weird because the vet gave me a lecture about 3 weeks ago. Well, not a lecture. She always gives me information, hoping that I'd share it out to the world, I think. She said that bathrooms are dangerous for birds because of the bacteria, all that stuff. So I thought, the floors are bad, everything's bad, right? So I said, even if they have a shower, she goes, we'll run the water for a while first and then put them in, which I do. And then, when I got Oakley, she said, he can't fall. Right? Oakley can't fall, or he'll get really hurt. So I've been kind of obsessing about Oakley not falling, and then every time I go in the bathroom, I have her voice, or like the bathroom when the birds are in there, I'm like, oh, they shouldn't be in here, they shouldn't be in here. Then boom. Your bird's almost drowned? Oh my god. That would have been terrible. Your friend and messenger, she gives her temps in Celsius and you give yours in Fahrenheit, but you don't know what she does, what each other's temp means. That's funny. Ooh, Lenora. That's always another fear of mine, one of my birds drowning, like if a bucket was left open. But, like, I don't have buckets open with water in them, and my birds don't really fly around. If I had little birds, I'd be totally paranoid of it. You guys gotta see this face. Hold on a second. I've never seen a bird love attention as much as him. Well, no, I have, but he sure loves to be pet. Jack is your daughter's new. Your daughter's new person. That's cute. You have an African gray. We've got a few here. We've got two grays, two cockatoos, two macaws, a cockatiel, a German shepherd, and am I missing anything? So two macaws, two cockatoos, two grays, and a cockatiel, and a dog. The cockatoo's in jail right now for her own safety. She's in the lockup. She's in the mental health hospital. Nah, nah, nah. What's Rue doing? Are you invading Newman's cage? You are. Does she like his attention? I remember our daughter hated that my birds. Newman got into the dog treats, didn't he? Did you guys see the video where Coco took Sid's lap shift? Everyone has a shift here, right? birds get out for a stretch in the morning. Everyone has a little walk around. Then they have their breakfast and quiet time. And then Duncan has her day shift, right? She's out. Sid sometimes too, but she doesn't really like it. She wants to play with her toys. And then the afternoon shift, Duncan goes in, the birds come out, so their supper, and then at night, then after that, it's Sid's shift, and she's out for about 3 hours with us. But Coco last night got scared. She's sleeping. She got scared last night, so I brought her out. I didn't want her to give herself a seizure by screaming, so I brought her out. So she took Sid's shift. She took Sid's shift, lap shift. So she was getting the stink eye. Boy, this music calms all the birds down, eh? Normally it's like shenanigans central here at this time. Oh, you're going to quilt? What are you going to make a quilt? I think Coco is her favorite. She tells me when we're going live. Yeah, we missed a few days. What did everyone make for dinner tonight? We saw RV. Yeah, the shenanigans are on a bit of a break right now, right? Shenanigans are on a bit of a break. There's shenan nothing right now. See, Coco, she's sleeping. She doesn't need shenanigans. I keep forgetting that she does have a really bad heart issue. You know what I mean? She could have drop dead from a heart attack like Cookie any time. What, 6 more quilts? Chicken cutlets, cranberry, sauce, jasmine. That sounds good. Chicken tomato rice with peas. French bread pizza. Baked potatoes and any pasta and chicken. Sun-dried tomatoes. Taco Tuesday. Nice. Popcorn, Mountain Dew. You always eat junk, Deborah. I think it's time you need to get one of those meals plans delivered. Stuffed mushrooms, ground turkey wrapped with cheese and avocado. Night, Bonnie. Thank you, Karis. Thanks for caring. You had breakfast food, pasta with marinara sauce. Yeah, it is spa music, isn't it? Are you laying down now on my lap? You should lay with Izzy on that nice soft blanket. Hamburger helper? I haven't had that in ages. Penny pasta with mushrooms and spinach. Korean dumplings. And Korean pancakes. Oh, I have to look that up. Salmon. Oh, we haven't had that in a while. I like salmon. Homemade soup? What kind? Just everything soup? Oh, you need a blanket for your grandson? Nice. Baseboard helper for Rue's dinner. we don't have any. We don't have any spa towels and slippers. It actually kind of relaxes me. It's gonna be cold for the next few days. I heard you guys are getting some bad weather. It's been cold here too. I think our banana tree finally got frostbit. Squash soup. It snowed in Florida? Oh boy. That would have been busy. Horses are whiny. Oh, the fires are still burning? Linda, are you really? Hamburger and veggie soup. Coldest night in 6 years. Taco soup. Snowed in Miami? Poor, bah, nah, poor Miami people. Rue's now hanging from my chair. Oh, okay. Don't get mad at her. Hey, this is not your lap, okay? So Rue's on my lap, but she snuck in behind me instead so that Oakley wouldn't see her. Costco slippers are $4. Marsha, I haven't seen many comments. No one was really putting people. No, I haven't had many comments. I don't know if it was like because people weren't commenting or they weren't saying. Hi, Mark. Night, Arlene. Your dog falls in the snow. Coldest night in 10 years. Oh, the socks were done, you guys. The socks should be here on the 30th. And we'll see how they are. We'll see how the socks are. Mine is 28 for the kids at the bus stop. Cerise, I'm blocking everything out of my mind. That's how I cope. Okay, you're starting to get bossy. Rue, you're gonna get in trouble by you know who. There, you sit with Izzy on her blanket. There you go. Coco's like, shenanigans? Shenanigans? I want shenanigans. Oh, look at who's following me, the little monkey. Are you running? Are you running? Oakley, I would love to hold you all the time. The note says Coco Chanel Morrison. But I'm just like I'm a busy girl. I can't sit and hold you all the time, sweetie. I know. I got two birds at my feet. Mrs. Bubble Girl is in there. She's waiting for her dinner. Here, do you want me to pick you up a minute? There we go. He is needy. And if he doesn't get attention, he goes and sits beside Kiwi. Do you want to see someone who's a real ragamuffin? This is her. She's really raggy lately. Sergeant doesn't really get along with Rooster. This is our shenanigan girl. Hey, Lou. Oh, Ruth's already done. She's scared. Kiwi's still not sitting on that perch, you know. She does need a bath really bad. It's like I'm covered in white to death now, too. Here, you get moving. You get moving. Coco. She's like, Mom, I want to be part of the shenanigans. You can't. This is not when he starts whining. You just pooped on my floor. Well, a lot to clean after you guys have been running around. Hello. Where's Oakley? What are you doing, Oak? Kiwi. I had Kiwi on my lap with Oakley today. Kiwi's so patient. Everyone's so patient with Oakley. He steals the lap, right? But they're patient with him for some reason. They just give him the evil eye. But you're almost, I know, honey. He runs around in circles. How many bedrooms? We have 3. How was it? I don't know yet. Okay, I got 2 birds at my feet. I'm gonna let you guys go. Everyone's getting needy here. They want food and attention. So I'm going to let you guys go. Thanks for watching. Good night. Have a good night. And if you're cold, keep warm. Thanks for checking in. Yeah, Oakley, I'll get you in a minute, okay, honey? All right. Bye, everyone.